Medical News Minute. I'm Dr. Diana Damiani from Italy. Today is August 26, 2021. For today's COVID update, here is Dr. Ernst von Schwarz.
Thank you, Diana. As of today, 4,529 new cases of COVID-19 were reported in California, with 36 people dying. In the US, as a total, 170,000 new cases and 1,165 death cases were reported. Of interest, COVID cases among children grew by at least 50% during the last week, from 121,000 to 180,000 total cases, according to the data from the American Academy of Pediatrics. The child death rate from COVID-19 nearly tripled as well, to 23 deaths from only 8 the week before, even though kids still make up only 0.1% of all deaths from the virus. In the same token, schools have become hotspots for new cases now, with some already forced to close to prevent further virus spread. Meanwhile, federal health officials will likely approve COVID-19 vaccine boosters for all Americans 6 months after their final dose, rather than 8 months as it was announced a few days earlier. Boosters for all 3 available vaccines, the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, Moderna, and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, is expected to start in mid-September of this year. The FDA has also approved the Pfizer vaccine as a full approval. Moderna is awaiting FDA approval within a short period of time in the very near future. In other news, there's a lot of talk about ivermectin, which is an anti-parasite drug that some people, according to social media reports, and even many doctors have tried to use to fight COVID infections or as a prevention. A recently published study in 280 patients, from which 173 of those were treated with ivermectin, showed in fact a lower mortality rate in hospitalized patients with COVID-19 infection. However, this is a relatively small study, and at the current time, the FDA does not recommend ivermectin as a treatment for COVID-19 or as a preventive measure to avoid infections. So far, vaccines are the only effective way to prevent infection and further spread of the virus. More to come. Thank you.